If you're looking to up your barbecue game and take your skills to the next level, then you've come to the right place. I'm Jabin from Postal Barbecue, and on this channel, I'll show you some incredible recipes as well as give you tips and tricks that will help you produce amazing barbecue right in your own backyard. Take a look. From amazing ribs and chicken to delicious ribeye steaks and much, much more, I've got you covered. So make sure to browse around, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell for great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's light that fire and get cooking.